In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to pump.fun. The first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up pump.fun. Then you'll now notice that towards the top right, we will have an option over here that does say connect wallet. What we need to do is we need to go ahead and press on connect wallet just like so. And from here, we can go ahead and log in with either email or any other social media accounts that we do have. But for this video, you want to go ahead and select over here where it does say Phantom. And if you're doing this on a PC, then I recommend that you guys go ahead and install the Phantom web browser extension. But you guys could also do this on your mobile device. But anyways, guys, I'm just going to go ahead and select on Phantom Wallet just like so. And now it is going to open it up right over here. It's going to open up a little widget, and it is basically going to ask you for permission to actually connect Phantom Wallet to pump.fun. So if you're 100% sure that you want to do this, go ahead and press on this button over here that does say connect. And now just wait for it a little bit, and then it's going to give you another sign in message over here. So you just want to go ahead and press on confirm. And now there you go, guys. We are now actually logged in with our Phantom Wallet. You guys could also transfer from wallet as well, and that is completely up to you. Or if you guys want, you guys could even disconnect your wallet as well. But from here, you guys can go ahead and start finding meme coins or even make your own meme coin on pump.fun. So that's honestly pretty cool. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.